Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to increase traffic with the help of Google Trends for SEO. So guys, first thing, just simply go for the explore over here. And after that, I recommend going for the location over here. And you could select worldwide. So you could maximize your search. And from here, just simply select past 30 days or 90 days, so you could see the latest terms that is being used currently, and you could categorize it as well over here. So this will be depending on you if you want to use this one, and I recommend going for the web search or YouTube search. So guys, if you are on the YouTube game, of course go for the YouTube search, but if you are gonna use it for other stuff, go for the web search and just simply add a search term. So let's say my search term will be about money, and enter. And from here, currently, this is the data of the keyword that is currently people are searching. So let's say I'm going to compare it into financial. And now from here, as you can see, money keyword is much more dominant than the financial. So most likely I would choose a content or creation or topics that has a word money, because it is a much more higher search volume than the financial. So if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the areas, and we should be able to see here all of the related keywords. So pretty much this will help us based on the keyword that we have search. And now if you want to go further on other keyword, you could just simply select these three dots over here and go for the explore. And from here, it will give you to another tab. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.